Thinking about switching your Google Chrome language to English, but you're not sure how? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through the process of changing the language settings in Google Chrome to English, so your browsing experience feels more comfortable and familiar. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to adjust these settings, and you'll never have to puzzle over unfamiliar menus again. Let's get started. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon wherever it is on your computer. Maybe it's on your desktop, maybe pinned to your taskbar. If you're already using Chrome, great. Just make sure you have a fresh window open so the changes you make will show up right away. Sometimes Chrome can update certain settings a little more smoothly with a fresh start. Now, once Chrome is open, you'll want to head over to the home page. Type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. That's the quickest route to the main Google page, and it's typically where you'll see the language options most clearly. If your current language setting isn't English, the page might look a bit unfamiliar, but don't worry. Just look for familiar icons and layout features. The process is the same, no matter what language you're starting from. On the Google homepage, take a look around for the language selector. Usually, it appears in the bottom right-hand corner of the page as a link with the name of the currently active language. For example, if your Chrome is set to Spanish, you'll see Español there. Click directly on this language link. You might notice that the language list pops up, offering several options. This step is crucial because this is where you actually tell Google what language you'd prefer for browsing and search results. Now for the main part, switching to English. Scroll or browse through the list until you find English. Sometimes, especially if your current language uses a different script, it may take a moment to find English among the other language choices. You might see multiple regional versions, such as English United States or English United Kingdom. For most users, English United States works perfectly, but feel free to pick whichever version suits you best. Click on English and give the page a moment to refresh. You'll notice right away that all the menus and text on Google's homepage have switched to English. And believe it or not, that's all it takes. You've successfully changed your Google Chrome browsing language to English. Now, whenever you use google.com or Google search services, everything should appear in English, making it much easier to navigate and find what you need. If you're thinking, wait, what about other Chrome menus or websites? Just remember that most sites will follow your browser's language settings too. Some might need a refresh, so if you see lingering text in your old language, try reloading the page or restarting your browser. Don't worry if it doesn't change instantly. Sometimes these settings take a minute to apply everywhere. So that's how easy it is to set Google Chrome to English. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or get stuck on a step, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, simple tutorials just like this one. Happy browsing, and I'll see you in the next video.